Hi folks, welcome back to Injuri Barbecue. This is part 2 of using the Vortex. Now, we call it a Vortex. It's not made by the company called Vortex at all, so I'm not insinuating that it's made by them. Everybody calls them a Vortex. They're actually called a fuel dome, but everyone knows them as a Vortex, so hence I call them a Vortex. We're going to be doing this is the second in the series of using the Vortex. We're going to put it upside down and we will fill it with charcoals later, and then once it's burning nicely we'll put the sear grate on. And I've got a nice Cote de Boeuf bit of steak, which is a ribeye with a bit of bone on, and for the ladies I've got some fillet steak. So we'll make up the fire later and fire it up and then get on and start cooking. Right, so there we've got our meat for tonight. I'm just going to add a little bit of rub on it. Now this is SPOGS, which is salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and a few bits of herbs, thyme, a couple of other things like that. I will put a recipe in for this as well. So we'll leave this marinating like this, dry marinating for a couple of hours, and then we'll be cooking later on. Okay, so there now we have the coals inside. We're going to put the grate on now, and then we can see how it's all going to cook once the grate's nice and hot. We'll leave that for about 10 minutes and then come and cook. Right, so it's going to be about ready. I did turn it down a bit. Get some oil onto the grate. Close them up a bit. Come back in 4 or 5 minutes and see how it is. After about 3 minutes, it's going well. Looking good. Close it up and leave another 3 minutes.